Hi, I'm David Kaminow. For today's 2-Minute Tuesday, I wanted to talk about 3 tips of going to trial on your own. And as I've mentioned in other 2-Minute Tuesdays, I frequently recommend to my clients that if it's a small claims matter, they try it on their own without an attorney, because frequently having an attorney is just too expensive to be worthwhile. So here are the 3 tips. The first is be respectful. First and foremost, that means getting to court on time. The judges will frequently get there late, but if they start when you're not there, they will dismiss your case. So it's very important that you be on time and show the judge that respect. Also, dress appropriately. That doesn't mean that you need to wear a suit, but also you probably shouldn't wear cutoffs and a tank top. Wear something that shows respect for the judge, that shows respect for the system. Do not wear a hat. While you're in front of the judge, always refer to the judge as Your Honor, and never curse in a courtroom. I assume that should go without saying, but I'm saying it. The second tip is to be prepared. That means getting all of your documents together before you get to court. That includes the contract, it includes any change orders, it includes any photographs that you may have taken of the work that you've done, and it includes any checks that you may have received. Also, while you're being prepared, try to anticipate what the other side is going to say. Frequently, they'll say something like the work wasn't sufficient or that they've paid. If you've got your photos and the checks that you've received, you'll be in a much better position to explain to the judge why the work was done perfectly and why they have only paid a certain percentage and not all of the money that was due and owing. The last tip is to practice. Practice, practice, practice. And I usually tell my clients, practice in front of somebody who's not in the business, because you want to make sure that the judge will understand what you're saying. And so you want to make sure that you talk to somebody who doesn't know the jargon of your business, who doesn't understand intimately what you're going through. And that's why I say practice in front of somebody who's not in your business, and make sure that person understands what you're trying to say. And the last thing, and maybe it's not a tip, is don't be stressed. Don't feel too much pressure. In the event that you lose, and remember 50% of the people lose every trial, in the event that you lose, you can always appeal. I'm David Kaminow. If you have any questions about small claims litigation, please feel free to give me a call.